Good morning. Now we study the practical number 8, and that is computation of correlation coefficient part 2, that is for a grouped data. Already I have written the problem here, that is x values are given to you and y values are also given to you. Suppose these are the marks in mathematics and these are the marks in statistics. Like that way, anything is given, x values and y values in group, that is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, not x equal to 10, 20, 30, but it is in group, and these are the cell frequencies are given to you. Now, what are the things you have to obtain for to obtain the correlation coefficient? What are the columns you require or what are the rows you require? So first you have to obtain the total. This total will be f5. X values are here for first class. 0 to 10 is x value, therefore f5 values you have to obtain. So this will be 15, 18 and 12. So this total will be here, this is 30 and 20, 50. Now this will be fj, this is 5, 16, 19 and 10. So again this total will be, this is the total. So this will be 50, total 50 observations are there. Now what is the next column? You have to obtain the mid value column as xi as your first row up to this. You can obtain. So the first mid value of this will be 5, this will be 15, 25, 35. So these are the mid values. Then next one is you are to obtain ui equal to xi minus the middlemost. So here you can take 15 divided by the class width is 10. So that is your ui column, ui row. So this is 15. This mid value xi minus 15 will be minus 10. Minus 10 divided by class width is 10. So therefore it will be minus 1. 15 minus 15 will be 0. 25 minus 15 is plus 10 divided by 10 will be 1. 35 minus 15 will be 20 divided plus 20 divided by 10 will be 2. So this is your ui. Now I will obtain ui fi column. ui fi column means what? ui is here, fi is here. So 5 into 1 minus 1 will be minus 5. This will be 0. This is 18 and this will be 24. Get its total. Here you can obtain the total. So this will be 13, 20, 37 I think, because this will be 13 plus 24, 37. Now ui square fi you can obtain. ui square fi. So ui square fi means minus 1 square is plus 1 into 5 is 5. This is 0. This is 1 into 18 will be 18. And 2 square is 4 into 12, 48. So addition will be 71. So these are the things. Now you have to obtain the ui vj into fij as the last column or the last row you can say. So we will obtain afterwards. Here again we obtain fj, then you have to obtain the mid values as yj's. So mid value for this will be 2.5, then 7.5, 12.5 and 17.5. Here also Vj equal to Yj minus Bb means central value. Central value will be 7.5. I will take. You can take 12.5 also. You can choose any one. Divided by class width is 5. Now this 2.5 minus 7.5 will be 5. Minus 5 divided by 5 will be minus 1. This will be 0. This is plus 1. This is plus 2. Like that. Now you have to obtain the Vj into fj. Vj into fj will be minus 5. This will be 0. This will be 19 and this will be 20. So this will be 39 minus 5. So this will be 34. Okay. Now uy square vj square fj you have to obtain. Vj square means this square is plus 1 into 5 will be plus 5. This is 0. This is 19. 4 into this will be 40. And now uy vj fij. How to obtain that uy vj fij? We'll see. So wherever there will be a frequency, you prepare one column here, corner piece here. Wherever there will be a cell frequency. Okay. So these numbers will give the fij. Now what is your uy vj fij means? This is your vj, this is your, for this 2, this is your uy is minus 1, this is minus 1, minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1, plus 1 into 2 will be 2. Here this is 0 into this will be 0. Then this, for this one, this is 0 into 1 will be 0. Again this is 0 and 0 will be 0. And this will be 1 into 0 is 0 into 4 is 0. Then here this is again 0 into 1 will be 0. And for this one, 1 into 1 is 1 into 9 is 9. For this, 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 6 is 12. This is for 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 4 will be 8. For this one, 2 into 2 is 4, uy into vj is 4, 4 into 6, that is fij. So 24, like that. And now I will add these values. So this is your 2, this is 0, this will be 17, and this will be 36. Get the total. Is the total. This total must be equal to this total. We'll check. 55 and 55 must be tallied. So this will be 2. This will be 0. This will be 12 plus 9 will be 21. And this is 32. So this addition will be 555. So these two must be equal. Now, what are the things required? So you have to obtain the u bar value, summation of uy fi divided by n. So uy fi is 37 divided by n is 50. So this will be whatever it is 0.72. V bar equal to summation vj of j divided by n. So this will be vj of j will be 34 divided by 50, 0.68. So now sigma u square is summation uy square fy divided by n minus u bar square. So uy square fy will be 71 divided by 50 minus u bar square is 0.72 square. Whatever value you are getting, obtain that. Sigma v is summation vj square fj divided by n minus v bar square. So that will be this total you have to obtain. 45, 55, 65. This is 64. So 64 divided by 50 minus 0.68 square. Then covariance between u and v can be obtained as double summation uy vj fij divided by n minus u bar into v bar. So this is 55 divided by 50 minus 0.72 into 0.68. So obtain all these values, and once you have got these values, then you have to obtain the R. R can be written as covariance between u and v divided by sigma u into sigma v. Whatever value you have got here, substitute here. Whatever value you have obtained here, get its root and write down here. and here also sigma v square we have obtain its square root. You will and substitute here, you will get the answer for Pearson's correlation for group predator. So this is the first problem. So these are the columns we have to obtain. Okay. Now the next problem, second problem is all the values are given to you. Instead of preparing the table, all the values are given to you. You have to obtain the Pearson's curve. Following are the values obtained from the bivariate data having 60 observations. Means n equal to 60 is given to you. 60 observations. Then uy fy equal to minus 39. Vj fj is equal to 1. Summation uy square fy is equal to 119. Summation vj square fj is equal to 99. And summation, double summation uy vj fyj, that is also given as 69. N is 60. So these are the 6 values you have to given, where uy equal to xi minus 77 by 5, vj equal to yj minus 82 by 5. Like that way these things are given. Find the correlation coefficient between x and y. So here what is uy? Uy equal to xi minus 77 by 5, and this is vj, and vj is equal to yj minus 82 divided by 5. So these are the things given to you. म्हणजे यामध्ये काय सगळ्या व्हॅल्यूज दिलेल्या आहेत. आपण काय केले, चेंज ऑफ ओरिजिन बाय 77 अँड स्केल बाय 5. इथं 82 इतक्या आणि आपण ओरिजिन चेंज केले वायची आणि 5 इतक्यानी स्केल चेंज केलं आहे. तर आपल्याला माहिती आहे की आर एक्स वाय इज सेम एज आर यू व्ही. जर यांचे साइन जर सेम असतील तर, म्हणजे याला साइन प्लस आहे, याला पण प्लस असेल तर काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही. त्यांची साइन जर अपोजिट असतील तर मात्र हे अपोजिट साइनमध्ये येतं. बाकी इट इज इंडिपेंडंट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ ओरिजिन अँड स्केल असं आपल्याला म्हणता येईल. म्हणजे हा सगळा भाग पुन्हा करायचा आहे. पहिल्यांदा यू बार काढून घ्या. म्हणजे इथं फॉर्म्युले आहेत. आता हाच फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये मी टाकतो सगळ्या व्हॅल्यूज. हे सगळे आपल्याकडे फॉर्म्युले आहेत. यामध्ये काय करता येईल, यू आय एफ आय इथं काही ते मायनस 39 आहे, डिवाइडेड बाय 60 करून घ्या. त्यानंतर 1 बाय 60 करून घ्या. त्याच्यानंतर सिग्मा यू काढण्यासाठी यू आय स्क्वेअर एफ आय. सो 119 बाय एन मीन्स 60 मायनस यू बार काय असेल तो इथला, इथं सबस्टिट्यूट करून त्याचा स्क्वेअर करा. त्याच्यानंतर 99 बाय 60 मायनस व्ही बार स्क्वेअर, जो काय इथं मिळाला तो टाकायचा इथं. आणि या ठिकाणी काय करता येईल, सगळ्या व्हॅल्यूज तुमच्याकडे असतील. यू दॅट इज 69 डिवायडेड बाय 60 मायनस यू बार आणि व्ही बार इथे जे मिळाले ते सबस्टिट्यूट करून सिम्प्लिफाय करा. मागाच्या सारखं तुम्हाला काय काढता येईल, कॉर्लेशन बिटवीन यू व्ही इज सेम एज कॉर्लेशन बिटवीन एक्स वाय. आणि त्या पद्धतीनं कॅल्क्युलेशन करा, जस्ट सबस्टिट्यूशन्स आहेत. सो दॅट्स ऑल फॉर दिस प्रॅक्टिकल. थँक्यू.